So I'm down here with the K-Speed test mule. I found myself a little bit of a quiet water here, so there's no one around to. So I'm going to do some ECU testing today. This is what I'm down here for. I brought two ECUs. One is the factory ECU, and then I've brought a K-Speed ECU that I've been playing with. And let's get some data. This is the factory ECU. Let's see what it does. So we got to about, what, 14.5 pound of boost and 108, and then it pulled it back to about 11.5 pound boost, about 106 kilometers an hour. All right, so I'll back up everything, so let's go the other way. Power on 15 pound. Okay, so sort of 14.5, I saw a spike at 15, about 14.5, and then pulls down about 11.5. Let's double check what max speed said. Oh, max speed said 109.4, so that's a good thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find somewhere over there to swap over to the K-Speed ECU and see how we go. Okay, so I brought with me two ECUs. The factory ECU from the ski and the K-Speed ECU that I've purchased, and this is the one I've been playing with. I've got a file in there now, I've got a K-Speed file in there now, so I'll plug this one in. I'll go get some more data. Alright, medium power mode, let's apples for apples, let's do full power mode. We're in full power mode. Trim's the same, fuel's the same. Let's see what we got. I got my fingers crossed. It's been a long road. Alright. We got it. Boosted and moved, sat on 8,000. Let's do a, I wasn't pulling back at all. Hell yeah. Let's do a launch control. All right, let's do it.